Okay, so I'm going to end it with this. Are you tapping into your students' best practices? And what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is every kid shows up to the table needing different things when they sit down to work. Some move fast and furious, some like to take a long time. Some kids switch subjects, some don't. Some need music, some need quiet. Some need a big, open, loud room. Some need a tiny, quiet space. So if your kid is not tapping into their best practices, they're already up against themselves. If we can give them what they need, remember that choice from the very beginning, they're more apt to be engaged, stay the course, and actually do the work they need to do. So if you go on our website, there it is right there. This is for the taking. This is 15 questions. It is a personal homework profile that you can have your student fill out that will help your student understand how they work best. And you will find way more information on our site. It explains it. There's even a video for, I think it's a small price, that takes this deeper. But this is free. It is a download, and it'll help your student understand how they work.